This works for everyone around the world and it's one of the biggest, easiest ways to make money online since there is no selling, no affiliate marketing, no social media followers needed, and no previous experience required. You just need to copy and paste some text. And if you stay until the end of this video, you will be able to make lot more money because I will be showing you 3 simple steps and 3 additional websites from which you can get paid. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how you can make money online with the simplest and the fastest way. So whenever we start or upload a brand new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this a video a big thumbs up, and if you have ever any questions, concerns or opinions about this video, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. Alright, so let's get back to the video. I will show you how you can use Google in order to get paid again and again. So all you have to do is just literally require less than 30 minutes. In case of PayPal not available in your country, or you don't want to use PayPal, then I will be showing you how you can select other payment options as well. So if you don't want to get through the PayPal, you can select different payment options like bank transfer, Payoneer and etc. Anyways, let's begin with the step number 1. Come over to google.com, and step number 2, you want to search for Google News. Once you search for the Google News, I want you to open on the first official website, news.google.com. This is a place where you can find the latest news and the latest articles on all the topics around the world. So it's like a newspaper, so you can find everything here on here. News about politics, about business, technologies, entertainment, sports, science, health, history and whatever you can think of, you can find on its website. Now, how will you make money on this website and you get paid free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned and you will see exactly how this system works. So here on the left side corner, you can see that you have an option of all categories. You have news about the world. This is about what's happening in the world right now. You have your own local news, which is something that we will not focus on. You simply want to focus only on the business, technologies, entertainment, sports, science and mostly health niches. You can see, for example, if I select the healthy category, and that's going to give me all of the latest news and all the latest article related to health. So let's scroll and let's find something interesting on here. So I'm interested in this article which was uploaded just recently, and it's really good article that a lot of people would like to click on. What you need to do is open up the article. Don't worry, you will not have to sell anything. This has something not to do with the affiliate, CPA marketing whatsoever. All you really need to do is just open on this article, and you just want to select and copy. You just need to open this article and select all this text from here to here, and the particular text just copy. For example, I will copy this right here and I will proceed to step number 3 and proceed to the third website that we will using, which is spinbot.com. Here you will need to paste that article which you find on Google News Spinbot. Spinbot will rewrite that article for you, so you can have the entire article in your own words, which means that way it completely becomes easy and unique. You will be using those articles on 3 more additional websites which I am going to share with you. Those websites will pay you for those articles. Some of them are literally going to pay you on dollar per words, and you can see those articles have sometimes thousands of words, and you can just do the math. Anyways, once you have found the article, just copy and select the paste box right here, and then scroll a little bit down, then click I am not a robot, and you will just need to click on. Now that's going to rewrite that entire article for you. As you can see that the context is pretty much the same, but it is using different words. It is using synonyms and in your own words, which is awesome. You just need to copy that entire unique and rewrite that article. You can use these articles to get paid again and again. The first website that we will be using is eatingwell.com. So on eatingwell.com you can submit your own articles and you can rewrite articles for this website and get paid for doing that. Now instead of doing that all the hard work for writing those articles for a days, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high quality articles, and they will pay you up to $1 per words. So this is the first website and I have two more for you. Just keep watching. So just on this website you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means if you get an article with 1,000 words, you can be $1,000 just for doing that. And that's its look like. You only need less than 30 minutes. You just need to copy and pasting. Now how do you actually submit your articles so you can get paid? Here on this website, on this page, you will need to just scroll a little bit down below until you can find this section where you can find their contact information. So you can just copy their email address, go to their email and just email them with the subject line telling submission or article submission or something along with these lines. Just attach the file with your own article which you created. Once you send out the email, they will review it, and if they really like your article, they will ask you for the payment details. You will tell them if you want to get paid through the PayPal. You will tell them my PayPal address and email is, then leave your PayPal. You can also submit your articles on seraclub.org. This is over to at their website. In order to submit your articles on this website, you just have to follow this instruction over here. You simply need to email them at this email address right here. So you can copy this email and go over to your email, place the contact details and the subject line. You just type in a submission of articles and just submit your article. Now with seraclub.org you will not only be able to submit health and fitness articles like you did with eatingwell.com, but you will need to find something related to technology or science. So open up an article from the category science, then copy its text and paste it to the Spinbots. Let them rewrite for you and submit it over to seraclub.org email address. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles is over at daily.jstore.org. You can go over to their submission guidelines and you can read more about it, how it works. This website will pay you little bit less money, but it's still a good one, and this is because you can earn some additional income and maximize your result with these strategies. The great thing is about this website is they will ask you only up to 2,000 words. They will pay you around 31 cents per word. So again, it's not as high as the previous two websites, but it's still decent, and 31 cents on average per word is not bad at all, because it will quickly add up. The more article you can submit on these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every single article will get accepted, but even if you get one article per day, that's still hundreds if not thousands dollars a day. But just by copying and pasting, it was absolutely free, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to wait around, and you can get started immediately with this strategy. Once again, let's summarize this, and you need to go over to Google and you need to find the Google News. Select all the categories from here in the left side. After that, select the article that you like to open and just copy and the text and use the Spinbot to make it unique high quality articles. and submit it on, you can do it again and again. This is something that I found to work in 2021. I hope you did get some value from this video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to our channel, gain access, and click the notification bell icon and smash the like button, and I will see you in the next video.